8675 Eden. We're just about done. The contractor, I just talked to him. He's going to be here in about 5 minutes. So I thought I'd shoot a video, but he's finishing up in there. I'm going to go through it. The tub guy, I just contacted, so he's going to be out here Sunday to spray those the tubs too. So here's all this. This is all done. They're going to get all this cleaned up. But you can see all the trash is gone. Except for that. He's got to get that. But let me see here. So let me go inside. So as you can see here, here's the flooring that he got this finished. Remember last week that wasn't done, but he's got all that in. This is really good flooring, by the way. And you remember they got all this cleaned here. This tile looks she really did a great job. She actually got on her hands and knees and cleaned all this, which is awesome. And he's getting a new dishwasher there. Gonna finish painting there. All these rooms are done. He's got to put a threshold here. And this, I got to get the electrician out to look at that. So, but what I'm going to do is have him go ahead and put it in so we can put it up for sale, and then I'll get the electrician out during the time so we can get this thing listed. So we'll have it listed next week for sure. So as you can see, it's looking really good. This other bedroom here, this is all new too. So a little cold today too. It's about 40 degrees out there. So in here she cleaned the tile. All this is cleaned. We're getting there. We're almost there. He's just got to get these tubs sprayed, which he's going to do Sunday. I just called him and he actually forgot about it. So all good. He's a really good tile guy. So, and then this one also, this extra room, which is like a study. So this is basically a 4-bedroom plus a study. So you can see here you got all this done. If you remember last week, none of this was done. So the thresholds are on there. All of this is done. All new flooring. It's really looking good. I mean, I really like this flooring a lot. So this is good. And this, and even got in the closet there. So we're going to get this cleaned up a little bit more. You got to, again, spray that tub. That's got a 10-year guarantee with it. It's easy to clean. It's a very nice spray. So this is your last update video. We should have everything put together next week and on the market. Thanks.